Fast-selling woodworking projects are not necessarily the most complex or impressive pieces you can build. In fact, the most profitable woodworking items are often simple, repeatable, and designed to solve everyday problems. Many woodworkers struggle not because their craftsmanship is lacking, but because they focus on projects that take too long to build or appeal to too narrow an audience. Making money as a woodworker requires a shift in thinking from artistic perfection to market demand, efficiency, and consistency. When people search for handmade wooden products, they're usually looking for items that feel personal, durable, and useful. Understanding what sells quickly allows you to spend more time producing and less time hoping the right buyer eventually appears. Cutting boards and charcuterie boards remain one of the most reliable income sources for woodworkers. Their popularity comes from a combination of function and emotional value. They are everyday kitchen tools, but they are also popular gifts for weddings, housewarmings, and holidays. A well-finished board made from maple, walnut, or mixed hardwoods can be produced efficiently in batches and still command a premium price. Customization through size, grain orientation, or engraving adds perceived value without significantly increasing build time. Many woodworkers also benefit from using offcuts and scrap wood, which improves profit margins while reducing waste. Wall-mounted home decor projects sell quickly because they serve both aesthetic and practical purposes. Floating shelves, picture ledges, and minimalist wall organizers are especially popular among renters and homeowners looking for simple upgrades. These projects require relatively basic joinery and hardware, while offering endless style variations through finishes and dimensions. A single shelf design can be adapted for modern, rustic, or industrial interiors, making it a versatile and fast-moving product in any woodworking lineup. Compact furniture pieces, such as stools, benches, and bedside tables consistently attract buyers because they offer everyday functionality without the high cost or bulk of larger furniture. These projects allow woodworkers to charge more than decor items while keeping production time manageable. Buyers are drawn to solid construction and clean design rather than excessive ornamentation. When built with consistency and standard dimensions, these pieces can be produced efficiently and sold repeatedly with minimal redesign. Organization-focused woodworking projects tap into a universal need: reducing clutter. Entryway key holders, mail organizer, and desktop storage solutions sell quickly because they solve small but persistent problems. These items typically require less material and time while offering strong visual appeal. Customers appreciate thoughtful design elements that make everyday routines easier, which increases the likelihood of repeat purchases and word-of-mouth recommendations. Pet-related woodworking projects have a unique advantage because buyers are emotionally invested in their animals. Raised dog feeders, wooden pet beds, and toy storage boxes consistently perform well in both online and local markets. These items do not need complex joinery to sell, but they do require attention to durability and finish. When marketed correctly, pet furniture often justifies higher pricing because owners associate quality with care and comfort for their pets. Outdoor woodworking projects sell especially well during spring and summer months. Planter boxes, raised garden beds, and small patio furniture appeal to homeowners looking to enhance their outdoor spaces. These projects prioritize durability over intricate detail, allowing for faster builds and straightforward designs. Weather-resistant materials and finishes add value while keeping construction practical and repeatable. Wooden furniture and toys for children attract parents seeking durable and non-toxic alternatives to plastic products. Items like step stools and learning towers are popular because they support independence and safety. These projects sell well when craftsmanship is paired with responsible material choices and clear communication about finishes. Parents tend to be loyal customers once trust is established, making this niche particularly valuable over time. The most successful woodworking businesses are built on understanding demand rather than chasing perfection. Fast-selling projects share common traits. They are useful, emotionally appealing, and efficient to produce. Pricing, presentation, and consistency matter just as much as craftsmanship. When woodworkers align their skills with what people already want to buy, they transform woodworking from a passion project into a sustainable source of income. If you want more insights on profitable woodworking ideas, production efficiency, and selling strategies, consider subscribing to the channel. With the right projects and mindset, woodworking can become more than a craft. It can become a business.